call?
Mrs. Berger, please don't be alarmed. You're going to be all right. I'm here with your husband. Now, please, let me speak with the man there with you. Mrs. Berger?
Yes.
Hit the lights. This is Special Agent Stanton of the FBI. You can see that the house is completely surrounded. We have Mr. Berger and the diamonds in our custody. I'm going to give you some instructions. If you follow them exactly, no harm will come to you. Understand?
Tell the police to hold their fire. I'm sending out the maid with a message for you.
Okay. Hold your fire.
The maid's coming out. Hold your fire.
No deal.
You got no choice, Stanton. She's got 30 seconds left.
Who's your best sharpshooter?
I am.
Good. You're gonna have to nail this guy before he gets to that Mercedes.